We're going to do a brief video on Netflix stock analysis, NFLX. We've got a daily chart here of Netflix with a 200-day moving average in blue, a 5-day moving average in green, and a 20-day moving average in red. And in a minute, we're going to show you some algorithmically generated entry prices for Netflix and see how they're working out today. You've got Netflix been a bear market, and as you can see, that's been since January of 2022. And we've come a long way, all the way from May through October, and we're finally now approaching the 200-day moving average. Today we're having a tremendous move in Netflix, up $33, 14% on volume of 14 million shares. Average daily volume is 10 million shares, and it's not even 10 o'clock yet. So Netflix up $34 a share today. Let's take a quick look at it and see exactly what's going on. If we take a look, we can see that Netflix put in a bottom down here in May, held that bottom all the way across, and then rallied a little bit. But now we're approaching the 200-day moving average, and people are getting impatient. You have to get Netflix above the 200-day moving average, this blue line, in order to get it out of a bear market officially. It's got to get up here in this range right here above the 280 level, and we can see Netflix right this second is trading at 275. So the reality of the situation is Netflix is still in a bear market, and I'll show you exactly what's going on in a minute. But let's take a look at the hourly chart and see how tremendous this move is. Here's where we were yesterday, right here, and here's where we are today, all the way up to, looks like the high has been 271, but we're trading higher than that now. This hasn't updated yet exactly, but we're trading even higher than that at 274 and 75 cents. So Netflix is skyrocketing. It's above the 200-hour moving average, which is this sideways bar here, and you can see it's been oscillating around that since approximately August 26th. A lot of securities have been doing that if you check these charts, and now we're starting to see breakout to the upside, which could be the beginning of a big rally for everything across the board, or at least all the good stuff. So we're way now above the 200-hour moving average, and you can see it's taken a long time for it to get there. Let's go and take a look at the weekly, because it's interesting. We take a weekly chart here real quick, and we see that technically it's still in a bear market. You can see it had gotten tremendously negative, tremendously oversold. This is the 200-week moving average, put in a bottom down here again in May, and now we're starting to move up. We're above the 5-week moving average in green, the 20-week moving average in red, and it's made this tremendous move up. We still have a lot of distance here before we get the stock above a 200-week moving average, but we don't have to do that to get back into a solid bear market. But you can see a great bull market is above the weekly moving average. You can see this going all the way back here to before April 13th. This stock was above the 200-week moving average. Let's take a look real quick, very quickly, at the 1 month, and you can see it came down. It didn't bounce right off this 142 level, but it got very close to it and is now skyrocketing back up. Again, this is monthly. This is a 200-month moving average, and almost got to it, and it's bounced up. So it's debatable in terms of whether we're back on long-term trend and going to bull market this stock, but it looks to me like that's probably what's going on. Let's go back to the daily chart here real quick and scoot down and take a look at Netflix algorithmically. Let's see what RBAM research says today for this stock in terms of entry prices. We put them out every morning before 7 a.m. Let's see if there's anything out on Netflix. We got buy prices here at 232, and what we do is we have a 1, a 5, a 20-day entry point here, and we've got today's range is 262 to 276. So we do not have any of these entry prices hit. This market just skyrocketed way above. So we got the direction right, but we are way below where the market's currently trading. Right now, this market's at 273, 274. It's moving very quickly, and the range is $262 to a high of 276 for Netflix today. You can get access to all of our entry prices every morning before 7 a.m. at rbamresearch.com. There's a link in the description below. It's absolutely free, no credit card required. Just head over there to RBAM Research, put in your email address to get free access immediately to 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, all updated before 7 a.m. Again, free, no credit card required, all for entertainment purposes only. If you want to trade, you have to do that with your own analysis. Our information is only good for entertainment, including our entry prices and all of our commentary, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.